Hello there. This is the Marbles large Stockman in stag. In the previous video I sharpened this blade. This blade also has two other blades because it's a Stockman. It has a sheep's foot, which is not very sharp at all. And it has a pin blade. The pin blade is not all that sharp, but it's a lot sharper than the Stockman. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit that Stockman, and I think all I really need to do with the pin blade is run it over a chromium oxide pasted strop, and it'll be perfectly fine. It'll shave again. So what we're going to do, this is a Dan's soft, same stone we used on the main blade of this knife. Lovely. And I have a burr. So let's go with alternating strokes to see if we can remove that. Light pressure, very light. And that's gone. So what's it doing? It's shaving on both sides. So that is done. And I was going to do just strop the pin blade, but we're going to sharpen it first, then we will strop it. The reason being is that I'm old school, and this castrating blade, I forget what it's called, but that's what it is. This blade, I want screaming sharp. This was meant to be used on in a ranch type setting. This blade would be used for castration of farm animals. Light strokes. And I have a burr. and I have a burr. So what do? Light pressure. Burr is gone. It's shaving like a scalded egg. That would be absolutely lovely. We're going to clean our stone. Bless you. I'll talk to you later.